My first appointment with Maida Smiles was because I actually cracked my tooth on some chicken skin of all items, and I needed an emergency appointment, and I said I was very frightened of the dentist, and they recommended me to Claudia. They said she's very gentle. So I came in just for a cracked tooth, and I was already with another dentist at the time, and I never looked back. It was a good few years ago. So Claudia really impressed me with how she handled that. She put in a temporary filling that would in theory last a couple of weeks, and it lasted 2 years until we actually removed it following my Invisalign journey. And I just wanted her to kind of look at all of my teeth. A lot of it was restorative in terms of fixing crowns, replacing them, old fillings that weren't necessarily in the best shape. And just really getting rid of anything that was problematic. And I had a lot of overcrowding as well, which was putting pressure on my gums. So just really trying to get a better smile and a healthier mouth. So nearly finished. We're on the last tray at the moment, but it's been super easy. Really glad I did it. I wish I'd done it before my wedding now, but it's made such a difference. My gums are no longer inflamed either, which is a fantastic side product, and I've absolutely loved it. Oh, always super welcome. I love coming here. Everyone's very friendly, from the reception staff to the dentist, the hygienist. It's a bit like a family. It feels a bit like a family clinic, and it's lovely. I always feel very safe here, and I've never liked the dentist until now. Pretty confident. I've always had quite white teeth, but now I think, or at least I look in the mirror and I think they look pretty straight as well. So I feel a lot more confident. I'm not hiding my bottom teeth as much because they were the ones that were severely impacted by overcrowding. And certainly some of the crowns that were a bit discolored and had loosened over the years. So now I just feel really confident with them looking better. Probably one of the best dentists, if not the best dentist I've ever met. She is incredibly kind and compassionate. She's very gentle, takes the time to really listen to each patient. So I think she treats me, my husband, my mother, and we all respond differently. So she does what's necessary. She isn't a dentist that people always say dentists make you do everything. She never does that. She just does what's necessary, but in such a kind, caring way. And honestly, she's just fantastic. I don't think there's another dentist that I would ever go to. I was terrified. Really terrified of injections, procedures, anything, and I don't really mind those at all anymore. And that's honestly down to Maida Smiles and Claudia in particular.